how to add WhatsApp chat to your WordPress website. After logging into your website dashboard, so go straight to plugins, click add plugin. So once you click add plugin, just search for join chats. See it, join chats. And you see this is the icon. Then click on install now. That's installed. Then we'll click on activate. It's activated, so go straight to join chat in our plugins list. Then you click on settings. So from settings, you'll be able to, it's coming, I see. Hey admin, let's set up join chat in less than 2 minutes. So you click on okay, let's start. Then, irrespective of the country you are seeing this or you want to set it for, you just click here and select your country so that it can generate the code for you. So since I'm in Nigeria, so I will be putting a Nigeria number and Nigeria code. So after putting the number, you just click on okay. There you see. Now this is the message. Hi, the site title, which is your website title. Okay. Then the website title. Then I need more info about. Then your website title again. That will be automatically generated by the system. Then click continue with this text. So if you want to change, you can delete this and replace it with whatever you want to change it to. So you can just click inside and delete. So I've left that side. So call to action now. This is the first message. Anybody visiting your website and clicking on this chat icon, you see. So you just say welcome to, just hi, hello, welcome to the site title. Can we help you? If you want to change it as well, you can delete and change it to anything you want. You can say hi, welcome to the this. So then click continue with text. So now that has been recorded. Then if you don't want to receive any newsletter from your join chat, just skip and click no thanks. Now we are done here. Okay, so let's go to go chat settings. Click on it. Now here you see the number is here. So you can test the number by clicking here. Once you click here, you will see it will pop up for your WhatsApp chat message. Okay, so let's leave that. Let's finish the settings. Now this is it. I need more info about, okay, this is message. Now between this icon, which one do you want to show on your website? So for me, I will prefer this last one. Then image, you can also upload an image to show rather than this. Okay, so if you want to show any other thing apart from this, you can upload it here. For instance, let's say you have an image you want to show there as example. So let's say you have an image you want to show. Okay, let's say this is what you want to show, maybe your picture or whatsoever you want to show. So just select it, click upload. It's not found. So I will leave it as it is. So I'll just leave any of the way. You can upload your own image as fixed. So once you upload it, if you replace any of these that you have here, but I'll choose this first and this last one. You can choose this or this, but I choose this last. Then where do you want it to display on your page? The left side here, down here, or the right side down here? So I prefer the right side. So then what else again? If you don't want it to display on other devices except mobile only, then you tick this. But if you want it to display on both mobile and a PC, then leave it as it is. Okay, you see the message I will type call to action. Hi, welcome to Tech with this. How may I help you? So that is the first message the customer will see. Then open chat. Do you want it to show open chat before customer click on the icon down here, or is it support you want to put there? You can change it to anything of your choice, and you can also change the color. Instead of green, you can change it to another thing. Say for instance, you can change it to this. Okay. Then theme style, light, dark, auto, depends on what you want. So I leave everything as it is. Then header. Now, powered by, instead of powered by join charts, I can say powered by tech with keys. Okay. Then that's all. So I'll just save this, save changes. Once it's saved, then we'll go and visit our site. Let's check our site now and see whether it's already set up completely. It's supposed to show up. Can we see it now? You see the color and the icon I select, and when I click on it, you see it showed support and the message we gave the other time. Hi, welcome to Tech with Steez. How may I help you? Then see the header too, powered by Tech with Steez. So this is how you can integrate WhatsApp chat into your WordPress website. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and share.